This tutorial will walk you through how to make easy flowers using some scraps of knit fabric. The pattern that you can download on my website is just a circle that has a 2-inch diameter, but you can create these flowers with slightly bigger circles that have a similar effect. So you're going to need 8 of these circles for this tutorial. The first step is to sew 5 of your circles in half and sew a long basting stitch along that folded edge. Now you want to pull the thread to gather the base of the flower and then tie it into a circle. Now you want to repeat that process with the other 3 circles to create a smaller flower. Connect the circle and gather the base of the flower by pulling the thread. This will create a little tiny 3-petal flower. Now you want to sew the smaller flower to the center of the bigger flower. After that, you can glue the flower to a hair clip or add it to whatever type of accessory that you want.